You may find that many of the auto-generated lists extracted from computer systems give registers in a certain format. Flash fill is a useful feature in Excel which will allow you to customize the columns to your own needs. Let's imagine that you have a class register which has the first names, last names, and ages all combined in one cell. Using this nifty flash fill feature, simply write out the details of the first user in the adjacent columns. Select the first item and click on Fill on the Home tab, then on Flash Fill. Alternatively, retype the names of at least 2 users. When you start to type the first few letters of the next user's first name, you will notice a list of suggestions will be displayed using the first 2 users' information as a template. Try this out next time in Excel and you are sure to save some time.